Yeah, know what time it is. I'm up. I'm dressed for the gym. It's time to handle this. And we out. I am feeling good this morning. I have about 3 hours before I have to go to work. So I really want to make the most out of it. So enough yapping. Let's get into it. Because I may or may not have fell asleep with makeup on yesterday, but we're not going to talk about it. Ow. All done with my hair. One of my favorite parts of my morning is my good morning message exchange between me and my man, and it's even better when it's audio message.
Good morning, honey.
Good morning, my love. I'm on my way to the gym and I'm like trying to put together a game plan, because if I walk up in there, sometimes I get overwhelmed by either the volume of people or the selection of machines, and I end up not having a very productive workout. Headphones of choice today are my Beats. Oh, that workout was a success. I am explotada. We did it a solid, like almost an hour, and I feel accomplished. I'm exhausted, but I feel accomplished. We ended on the Stairmaster, and that was tough, but I did 7 minutes, so. Made it home, and I've had my flowers sitting in water since last night. My man got me some flowers, and sometimes when I get home and I'm exhausted, I'll just throw them in a vase with water until I have the time to actually give them the proper love and attention so that they can be, you know, trimmed and with their food and all that. So I'm about to do that so I can put them on my island kitchen table. Looks so good. So good. I'm dressed and I showered. So now I'm just gonna see how I can pull. I'm actually about to head to work. My Wednesdays are my half days, so most of the time I work till 12:30. Sometimes I do the reverse and actually go in at 12 and leave at 4:30. So that is what we're doing today. I'm all dressed and ready. I'm gonna switch into this bag, so I'm just gonna transfer all my stuff. We have the Nash's wallet here. I have Sudoku. I swear my purse looks like a little vieja, but whatever. I have my journal. Lips, I have a NYX brown lip liner and my Morphe lip oil. My blue lights for my computer screen. My snack of choice, I'm just finishing up some M&Ms. I have my card wallet and my actual keys that I will toss in here. That's pretty much all I need. Time for a Aldi haul. I just got home and I ended up spending $28. I did impulsively buy 2 things because I'm hungry, but fingers crossed that they taste good. So let's see. We have half a gallon of milk, shredded cheese. This, I don't obviously buy this every week, but I had one and it lasted me forever, and I just finished it up, and it's surprising how much I have thought about grabbing this and not having it as like a condiment in my fridge. So we got it back. It tastes just like the Olive Garden Italian dressing and I love it. I'm gonna use this tonight for dinner. Mini avocado bag. This week's fruit, we have some oranges. This I like to add into my yellow rice. Is definitely a like Puerto Rican type of thing. And then I have ground beef. And the last 3 things, 2 of them kind of go together. I got one because of the other. So I really wanted to grab a cheese dip. I'm the biggest fan of the garlic and herb cheese dip that they have. They didn't have any of those dips available to me. So I came across this one and it just sounded too good. Low-key, this could be like a hit or a complete fail. It's fried pickle and ranch dip. I have chips in the fridge that I got earlier this week that I want to eat with it, but some celery with this just sounded so good. And this I wanted to try as well. My dessert of choice will forever be soft baked chocolate chip cookies. These are sea salt, caramel, and chocolate chunk cookie dough. So I got it to try because that's the only brand of cookie dough that they had. They have regular basic chocolate chip, but I love caramel, so I thought the 2 together would, how can you go wrong? So that'll be my dessert tonight. So I'm gonna start dinner, get the dishes going, and hopefully eat within the next hour. It's 5:30 now. Cannot have cookies without some milk. I'm gonna be realistic and not put a whole glass full. So we have a little bit of milk. Here she is. Yes. Oh my goodness. I ended up adding more chocolate chips because there wasn't enough, in my opinion, and I honestly could have added more. That's the one.